Hello friends, in this video I'll try to solve 2 by 2 Rubik cube under 10 seconds. So I'll start solving. So I'll see this cube. It's 6.33 seconds. So now we'll again scramble it. So we had scramble, now we'll again solve this cube. It's 9.42 seconds. So we'll again scramble it. We had scramble. It is 10.70. So we'll again scramble it. Now we'll again solve this cube. I'll scramble it. It's 9.52 seconds. Now we'll again scramble. So we had scramble, we'll now start solving it. Stopwatch, sorry. Scramble it again. We'll not see it. So now we had again scramble it. So we'll start solving. Whoa, 5.40 seconds. It's so amazing, man. So we had scramble. Now I'll start solving it. It's too late. For 14.75 seconds. Now I'll again scramble. So we had scramble, now we'll again start solving it. Oh, 10.571 seconds. So now we'll again scramble it. This is the last time. So friends, we had again scramble it. Now we'll start solving. Oh, 5.7 seconds. It's so amazing solving this 2 by 2 Rubik cube. So if you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and lastly, thanks for watching this video.